Friends, today I am driving to a place called Nelapattu Bird Sanctuary. I think almost reached it. This is in Andhra Pradesh. Let me show you the route. It's like full greenery there on both sides. So another 5 kilometers from here should be there. Almost reached the bird sanctuary here. There's a bird. Yeah, the board is here. I think we have to take a left turn here. Yes, those cars are parked over there. Yes, this is the entry to the Nelapattu Bird Sanctuary. Okay, guys. Afterwards, I'll show you the visuals inside once I get inside. Friends. Okay, here I am coming and I have entered the Nelapattu Bird Sanctuary now. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, a lot of people here. This is as soon as we enter, there is an environmental education center, and here you have the birds. Yeah, there are some birds in here. There are photographs. Okay. Let me see now. Here, this is a place like that. As soon as we enter, there's a bench here, looks like a tortoise. And this is also a wooden bench here. Cute. Hi friends, upon a new Nelapattu sanctuary. I'm here in this Nelapattu sanctuary. Here, instead of birds, you can see more of these kind of things. They kept pelican. If you want to see a pelican, maybe they kept maybe it's to show that it's pelicans are here. Okay, so let me see. I can read it. Migratory birds from Indonesia, Burma, Nepal, and other Asian countries are coming here. Okay, that's good. It's forest-like place here. Superb view. So much of greenery here. You can see. Let me show you all around. Yeah, that's right. We are inside the sanctuary here. The bird sanctuary. Let me show you. This plant is good. You have these leaves. Red in color, nice, cute. Okay, still walking this pathway towards the sanctuary viewpoint. Looks lovely. Both sides, lot of trees and greenery here. Okay, here what's this? That's a painted stork. Yes, open billed stork they have mentioned. Let me show you. Open billed stork looks like that. Okay. Here they have even butterflies. What's kind of butterflies?
Long bill and the
This is a blue tiger here. Yeah, it's in Sulurpet. Let me show you. This place is in Sulurpet, Andhra Pradesh. So checklist of the birds available in this place. Nelapattu birds recorded in Nelapattu sanctuary. Let me show you. It's a nice place. Yeah. I'm inside the Nelapattu sanctuary, Sulurpet. Let me show you. We have this beautiful house-like thing, just so that you can. What is this? Government of AP Forest Department, Nelapattu. What's this? What's this? Pelicans and have white ibis. There's fencing. Right. Wildflowers are here. You see the birds there? Oh, plenty of birds in there. Can show you a better view. That's a lot of birds out there. Plenty of birds here, man. Plenty of birds in this sanctuary. Wow. Lovely place. Lot of wildflowers here. I'll show you. Beautiful.
మళ్ళీ రావాలా అందరు
మాస్క్ మాస్క్